Hey everyone, what's up? Welcome back to the new video. Welcome back to the channel and today's video is all about Puma. मैंने रिसेंटली अभी Puma से परचेजेस करे हैं, बहुत ही अमेजिंग. You name it, you have everything. Sweatshirts, t-shirts, jackets, shoes, you name it, man. Every product is so amazing and so attractive. So make sure you watch this video till the end क्योंकि ये products बहुत ज़्यादा amazing है और बहुत ही अच्छे प्राइस में मिल रहे हैं. So make sure you watch this video till the end and make sure you subscribe this channel and let's start the video. So the very first product is a t-shirt from Puma. Puma की जो टी-शर्ट्स होती हैं they are made up of pure cotton and this is the t-shirt. You are getting multiple colors in a single t-shirt. Suppose यहाँ पे आपको एक ब्लू मिल रहा है, साइड में डार्क ग्रीन मिल रहा है और यहाँ पे क्रीमिश सा कलर मिल रहा है. ये पिकॉक ग्रीन है, ब्लू नहीं है, पिकॉक ग्रीन है. एंड दिस कॉम्बिनेशन लुक्स वेरी अमेजिंग एंड बहुत ही मिनिमल सा लोगो मिलता है आपको स्टार्टिंग में यहाँ पे और बैक पे. And this logo looks very cool, very stylish and very aesthetically appealing. And if you talk about the size, my height is 6 feet, so I went for medium size. So accordingly अपना size select कर सकते हैं and it is true to its size. Plus this t-shirt you can wear it with the jeans, maybe with the shorts. Jeans and shorts is a pair up करना, not with chinos, but mainly with jeans and shorts. It will look really amazing. And yeah, link will be in the description and you can definitely go for it. So the next product on our list ये आपका सबसे favorite product होगा, shoes. Shoes मेरी जितनी भी ऑडियंस है और जितने भी लोग मेरा चैनल देखते हैं दे लव शूज. सो मैंने सोचा क्यों ना इस पूरी वीडियो में शूज को भी क्यूरेट करा जाए. सो आई हैव दिस वेरी अमेजिंग शूज फ्रॉम प्यूमा इनटू कोका-कोला. कोका-कोला आई गेस सबका फेवरेट ब्रांड होगा. तो इट्स इन कोलैबोरेशन विद कोका-कोला, प्यूमा इनटू कोका-कोला. जस्ट लुक एट दिस अमेजिंग स्नीकर्स एंड दे लुक वेरी टॉप नॉच. फर्स्टली इस शू की अगर आप ड्यूरेबिलिटी की बात करोगे एंड कंफर्ट की बात करोगे, I will rate it out of 10 out of 10. That's the best part. And these are the most versatile sneakers you can add in your wardrobe. Just look at the color combination. The tongue is red and the inner sole is red and outer sole is creamish. And this combination looks very top notch. And the designs and the tag you get, it is looking so cool. And exactly, they are very lightweight, very comfortable, and it is true to its size. And yeah, you can wear it every day. Like if you're going for a party, if you're going out for a movie, अगर आप डेट पे जा रहे हैं, दोस्त से मिलने जा रहे हैं, वहाँ पे इसे डाल सकते हैं. नॉर्मली अपनी शर्ट लो, जो मैंने आपको टी शर्ट दिखाई वो टी शर्ट ले सकते हैं. You can pair it up with the jeans or maybe with the shorts and pair the shoe with it. And yeah, it is looking really cool. And the Coca-Cola design at the back, just look at the back design, Coca-Cola, it is looking very cool. And यहाँ पे आपको Coca-Cola लिखा है. So yeah, it's a very great shoe you can add in your wardrobe and it's the most versatile thing. You can go for it. Link will be in the description and you can definitely buy it. The next product on our list is also a very amazing t-shirt. Again from the brand PUMA, क्योंकि ये PUMA का haul है. And it's Puma into Coca-Cola. Just look at the print and the typography you're getting here. It's real thing Coke and it's looking very cool. यहाँ पे आपको white color की bottle दिखती है, मतलब empty bottle दिखती है Coke की और एक भरी हुई bottle दिखती है. And it's so fascinating. The comfort is very top notch. If you talk about the size, I went for medium size. My height is 6 feet, so it is true to its size. Secondly, the material used is pure cotton. And one more thing, अगर आप इसके कॉलर को देखोगे तो उसके कॉलर पे थोड़ा सा अलग सा फैब्रिक लगाया है जो उसको बहुत ही ज्यादा यूनिक लुक दे रहा है. And of course, black color goes with every single thing. Either a short, either a blue short, either a mustard short, either a beige short, beige jeans, beige trousers, beige chinos, you name it. You can pair it up with any color and any other thing. Because black color is my obsession. मेरे ख्याल से आप लोगों का भी obsession होगा black color. Usually हर किसी outfit के साथ easily pair up हो जाता है. और मेरे को इस टी-शर्ट में एक चीज cool और क्या लगी, और जो Coca-Cola की branding करी है ना इधर red color से, इसको बहुत ही unique look दे रहा है. So you can definitely add this t-shirt in your wardrobe. It's a very stylish, very versatile t-shirt. You can have it, and link will be in the description. And go for it. So the next product on our list are again the amazing sneakers from the brand Puma, and they are X-ray mid-speed WTR sneakers. Just look at this amazing piece. It's looking so cool. It has a rubber outsole and the inner sole is very comfortable. It's very comfortable. And if you talk about the outer sole, again it's rubber and it's very durable shoe. जैसे boot की construction होती है ना, जैसे boot होता है perfectly heavy, solid, durable. ये वो है, totally वो है. इसको बहुत ज़्यादा resemble कर रहा है, but ये sneaker style में है. That's the best part. The manly look you want in your personality, ना, these are the sneakers that will help you get that manly look. I would suggest you can pair it up with a black sweatshirt and a hoodie or maybe a shirt, jeans and these sneakers. They will look really amazing. That's my guarantee. If you talk about the rating, I will give this shoe a 10 on 10 because it's a very comfortable, very stylish, very durable one. So आपको इसका link भी description में मिलेगा if you want to buy something different and add something different in your wardrobe. So this is your pick. So the next product on our list is a wallet, of course, and wallet is the most important thing you should have. मैंने बहुत से लोगों को देखा है वॉलेट्स कैरी नहीं करते हैं, सिर्फ कैश कैरी करते हैं. उसकी वजह से बहुत ज़्यादा मिसमैनेजमेंट रहता है. किसी के पैसे कहीं पड़े रहते हैं, कभी किसी के पैसे कहीं पड़े रहते हैं. So I would suggest you should definitely buy a wallet and should add in your wardrobe. And this is the wallet I got from, of course, Puma. It is a BMW Edition. And just look at the logo of BMW. It is looking so classy. Plus अगर हम इसे ओपन करते हैं तो आपको Puma का लोगो मिलता है जो काफी ज़्यादा क्लासी लग रहा है. बहुत ही यूनिक डिजाइन में बनाया है. And yeah, it's a very good material, very lightweight. And जब भी आप इसे पकड़ोगे ना, आपको प्रीमियमनेस फील होगी Puma and BMW की. Of course, the design you are getting and The feel you are getting is very top notch. So I would suggest if you want a good wallet in your wardrobe and if you want to carry a classy plus very premium level wallet, so this is your pick. Iska bhi link aapko description mein milne wala hai. You can definitely go for it. So next up on our list is again a very essential item you should have in your wardrobe are the socks. ये socks मैंने Puma से लिया and they are cushioned socks. स्नीकर्स के लिए बहुत परफेक्ट है और जब भी आप इन्हें पहनेंगे ना, यू कैन डेफिनेटली फील द कंफर्ट एंड द स्टाइल यू आर गेटिंग. यू हैव मल्टीपल ऑप्शंस इन सॉक्स एंड सॉक्स का आजकल बहुत ज्यादा ट्रेंड है, राइट? सॉक्स दिखना होता है, दिखाते हैं अपने आउटफिट में जानबूझ के सॉक्स को क्योंकि बहुत ज्यादा ट्रेंडी लगते हैं एंड इट लुक्स वेरी वेरी क्लासी, राइट? सो आई वेंट फॉर 2 colors. You have multiple colors. One I bought white and grey and one I went for blue and red. And of course these are most trendy color you can add in your wardrobe and socks are very comfortable, looking very stylish, pure cushioned. It support your feet, entire feet. So yeah, you can definitely go for it. It's pure cotton. And yeah, the link will be in the description. You can definitely go for this one. So next up on our list is a very important thing because the weather is changing, winter is coming, and you have this amazing sweatshirt from the brand PUMA. It is a BMW Motorsport edition, and it is looking very stylish. So if you talk about the color, I chose white color because white color suits every single personality. And it looks really, really classy and amazing. If you talk about the material, the inner material is fleece. So it will make you really warm in winters and it is very, very comfortable. When you will wear it, you will feel the comfort. And if you talk about the size, I went for medium size. If you have a vacation plan or you're going to a hilly area where there's a lot of cold, this hoodie will look really great, very aesthetically appealing, and you have multiple colors in it. You name it, pink, blue, but I went for white because I like it. इसका भी लिंक आपको डिस्क्रिप्शन में देने वाला हूँ. Just go for it without thinking further. So the next up on our list are these amazing sweatpants from the brand PUMA once again, and it is a very very great sweatpants. You get 2 pockets on the sides and 1 pocket behind at your hip, and amazing print in front. PUMA, visit in 3 times PUMA, and it's a sand color. You can buy many other colors if you want, and sweatpants are in trend right now. You can wear it up with t-shirt, sweatshirt. जो मैंने आपको BMW की sweatshirt दिखाई, इसके साथ पेयर अप कर सकते हैं, बहुत ही different combination लगेगा. और साथ में जो मैंने आपको Coca-Cola into PUMA वाला edition दिखाया, you can go for that sneaker as well. So these sweatpants are really amazing. The material is very top notch, very comfortable. इसका भी लिंक आपको description में मिलेगा. You can definitely go for this one. Next product on our list is PUMA into 1 DER KL Rahul edition. Trackpants. They are very amazing, very comfortable, made up of pure cotton, and the print you get in front, PUMA and 2 roses. It is looking very very attractive, very very aesthetically appealing, and yes, you get 2 pockets in front. बहुत ही comfortably track pants है. So you can pair up this track pants with my black sweatshirt which I am wearing right now, and it will look really great, very aesthetically appealing. And suppose you're going on a vacation and you want to feel very comfortable, so you can pair the sweatshirt with this track pants and of course the Coca-Cola shoes. This is again from the KL Rahul edition, the sweatshirt as well, and the print आप आगे देख सकते हैं कितना amazing print है, टाइगर print है और बहुत ही ज़्यादा classy look दे रहा है. If you go for this track pants ना black वाले और in black sweatshirt को एक combination ना बहुत crazy लगेगा क्योंकि black color goes with every single personality. You name it, man. Black colors really lift up your personality from hair to hair. So you can definitely add these amazing things in your wardrobe. They are very comfortable, very stylish. My height is 6 feet. I went for M size for sweatshirt. And if you talk about my track pants, I went for again medium size. And my waist is 30 to 32. So accordingly, you can buy the size. The durability is very good. Pockets you are getting and the material you are getting, it's very very great. सबका दोनों का लिंक आपको डिस्क्रिप्शन में मिलने वाला है. You can buy it. So the next amazing product on our list is this amazing jacket that is the AMG Edition from PUMA, of course. And पूरे जैकेट पे AMG लिखा है. It's a fleece jacket and perfect for a cold weather. That is winters. Winters are coming. If you want to feel warm plus you want to look stylish, so this is your pick. It's a fleece jacket. If you talk about the size, my height is 6 feet. I went for M size, and this AMG edition piece is looking very very premium. And you get this AMG logo at the right sleeve, and it is looking really really amazing. Yes, black color again. It's one of my favorite color. आप लोगों का favorite होगा. इसको आप definitely add कर सकते हैं if you want to feel warm. So go for it. Link will be in the description. It's yours. So the next product on our list is this bag from the brand PUMA into Porsche, and just look at this bag and the style. And it has a laptop compartment inside, and you got 2 pockets in front. जो आपके सामने स्टाइलिंग शॉट आ रहा होगा, आपको अकॉर्डिंगली दिख रहा होगा. एंड दिस येलो कलर स्ट्रिप मेक्स इट रियली यूनिक. एक पूरा प्लेन ब्लैक होता तो अच्छा ज़्यादा नहीं लगता मेरे ख्याल से, बट इफ यू ऐड दिस येलो स्ट्राइप दैट इज पोर्शे, इट इज लुकिंग वेरी वेरी स्टाइलिश. इट्स अ वेरी लाइट वेट एंड इट इज वेरी कंफर्टेबल, वेरी ट्रेंडी, वेरी स्टाइलिश. यू हैव कुशनिंग एट द बैक, you have the laptop sleeve. So yes, it fulfills all your needs you want to carry. If you're traveling, you can carry this bag. If you're going to an office, you can carry this bag. Or maybe if you're going out for a picnic, you can carry this bag. It is the most versatile bag you can add in your wardrobe. You will get the link in the description. You can go for it. So last and the next product on our list is Rider Future vintage sneakers, again from the brand PUMA. Just look at this, at these amazing shoes. They are so aesthetically appealing. Color block आजकल बहुत ज़्यादा trend में चलता है. What I love about these sneakers is that back thing. Made up of suede and the logo is made up of red color. Very great color combination you can add in a shoe, and you have multiple colors in the shoe. अगर आप खोलोगे वेबसाइट तो आप कम से कम 7 से 8 कलर्स देखेंगे इन स्नीकर्स में, एंड दीज आर द मोस्ट ट्रेंडी स्नीकर्स, न्यूएस्ट कलेक्शन फ्रॉम Puma you can add in your wardrobe. And if you talk about inner sole, the very comfortable shoe, nylon tongue है इसका, nylon से बनाया गया इसको tongue को, and the branding you get it is very top notch. If you talk about the rating, it's 10 on 10, and you can definitely add these sneakers in your wardrobe. These are the most stylish chunky sole sneakers you can go for. इसको आप किसी भी चीज के साथ इजीली पेयर अप करोगे ना, सबके साथ जाएगा. मैं आपको मैंने भी ट्रेंड देखा था रिसेंटली, लोग सूट्स के नीचे स्नीकर्स को कैरी करने लग गए हैं, तो वो भी बहुत अमेजिंग लगता है, बहुत स्टाइलिश लगता है. यू कैन वेयर इट विद शॉर्ट्स, जीन्स, चिनोज, सूट्स के नीचे भी कैरी कर सकते हो अगर आपको कैरी करना आता है तो. वरना इट्स अ वेरी वर्सेटाइल शू, इट्स अ वेरी वर्सेटाइल चंकी सोल स्नीकर. इट लिफ्ट्स अप योर हाइट, क्योंकि इसकी जो सोल है ना वो आपकी हाइट को लिफ्ट अप करेगा. इसका भी लिंक आपको डिस्क्रिप्शन में मिलेगा. आपको अगर और कोई कलर खरीदना है तो आप वो खरीद सकते हैं, बट मैं इसका लिंक आपको डिस्क्रिप्शन में देने वाला हूँ. सो दैट्स ऑल फॉर द डे गाइस. दैट वाज माय एंटायर Puma haul I wanted to show you guys, and every link will be in the description, and these are my personal favorite products you can add. If you want to shop more different products, you can visit puma.com website that is mentioned in the description, and yeah, add these amazing things in your wardrobe and you can definitely thank me later. So until then, stay healthy, stay sexy as you